In this video, we are going to talk about which GPU is the best one for i5 6600K. Now, there are many GPU out there that will work with your CPU, but not all of them have been tested, so it's hard to know which ones are good enough. But don't worry, because I've done the research and found the perfect combination. I will also leave the links to discussed GPU in the description. You can check them for more information and the latest prices. Starting our list with Zotac GTX 1660 Super AMP. The GTX 1660 Super is the best GPU that you can pair with i5 6600K. The GTX 1660 Super is powerful enough that you can play every latest game at 1080p 60 FPS. And in sports games, you can enjoy a high refresh rate monitor. As compared to the GTX 1660 Ti, the GTX 1660 Super is only 1-2% slower. In 1080p gaming performance, the GTX 1660 Super is matching the performance of NVIDIA GTX 1070. The CUDA cores of GTX 1660 Super and GTX 1660 are the same 1408, but GTX 1660 Super is almost 10% faster. With GTX 1660 Super and i5 6600K, you can play almost every game smoothly with high graphics and 1080p resolution. The 6GB GDDR6 memory of Zotac GTX 1660 Super is actually faster than the memory of GTX 1660 Ti. The GPU has a dual-fan cooling system that maintains very low temperatures while performing heavy tasks. But the noise performance is not that good. The card's noise was audible from a distance. I think it would be okay for some people because many PC users use headphones while gaming. The feature I think that is missing is the idle fan stop feature, which means the fan will not turn off during light use like browsing, light gaming, watching videos, etc. The power consumption of the card is also efficient. The card uses almost 135-watt power during peak gaming GTX 1650 Super. The Zotac GTX 1660 Super is the best overall GPU for i5 6600K because it matches the performance of more expensive cards like GTX 1070 8GB and GTX 1660 Ti 6GB. At number 2, it's MSI GeForce GTX 1660 Gaming X. The NVIDIA GTX 1660 Gaming X is a better option for those who are looking for a mid-level GPU for i5 6600K. It is a good choice for gamers who are looking for a card that can run every sports game like Warzone and Fortnite at the highest settings with 60+ FPS all the time. Almost every game is playable with the highest graphics, but not all. In some games, you have to sacrifice some graphics to achieve 60 FPS. As compared to the GTX 1060 6GB, the MSI GTX 1660 Gaming X is almost 7-13% faster. The Zotac GTX 1660 Super is 10-11% faster, so we can expect 10-11% lower frame rates from GTX 1660 Gaming X. The MSI GTX 1660 Gaming X has fast 6GB GDDR6 memory. Compared to the AMD RX 590 cards, this GPU is very power efficient, more than double. With impressive power efficiency, the card also has excellent dual-fan coolers. If you want to work or play games longer without being worried about the cards overheating, then the great dual-fan coolers of the MSI GTX 1660 Super will do an excellent job. During intense gaming for a long time, the GPU reached only 68 degrees Celsius temperature. Not only the card has excellent cooling performance, but it also produces a low noise level. You will not get irritated with the card's noise, and if installed in the case, you can hardly hear any sound from the card. The MSI GTX 1660 Gaming X has excellent 1080p performance, superb power efficiency, and great coolers. These features make the MSI GTX 1660 Gaming X the best mid-range GPU for i5 6600K. At number 3, it's MSI GTX 1650 Super Gaming X. If you are searching for something affordable or want to play sports games with a high refresh rate monitor, then the MSI GTX 1650 Super Gaming X is the recommended GPU for i5 6600K. Not only multiplayer player games, but it also performs exceptionally in other latest games too. Every latest game is not playable with high graphics, but it is possible with medium graphics settings. I recommend this GPU for budget users because when we compare it with other cards in this or higher price range, like the AMD RX 570 8GB, RX 580 8GB, and NVIDIA GTX 1660 6GB, the GTX 1650 Super performed very well. The GPU was competing with the NVIDIA GTX 1060 6GB, which is a more expensive card. The MSI 1650 Super Gaming X is almost 30-37% faster than MSI GTX 1650 Gaming X with no price increase. Like the MSI GTX 1660 Gaming X, the MSI GTX 1650 Super also comes with great dual-fan coolers. It is also the most silent graphics card on the list, and the temperature was around 62-63 degrees Celsius. Not only this, but the power efficiency is also fabulous. The card was using roughly 100-watt, 105-watt power, and during everyday use, it consumes almost no power. And with that, we come to the end of our review. With so many different GPU to choose from, it can be difficult to find the best one for your needs. This video will help you narrow down your options and make an informed decision on which GPU is right for you. If you have any questions about this video or want more information on these 3 GPU in particular, please leave a comment below.